Hi traders, and welcome to FXDD live analysis. Today we have the GBP dollar and the dollar CAD. Before I start, have in mind that foreign exchange trading carries a high level of risk that is not suitable for all investors. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. Also on these web addresses you can sign up for more live educational and trading videos. Sign up and see how I trade live. The latest Brexit developments led to a whipsaw movement on the GBP dollar. Yesterday we were witnessing a big drop, then a big spike on the GBP dollar, but according to price action and what might happen in the Brexit developments in next few days, my opinion is that we definitely should pay attention to levels. So there are no point of confluence rejection, there is no positioning. In my opinion, GBP traders, especially traders who prefer to trade the GBP dollar cross, should focus on breakout of the levels. Usually positioning before some important news releases, important data is not very good strategy, because positioning can lead to a breakout, stop triggering on both sides. So in my opinion, it's best to use that momentum that is provided by stop triggering, closing of all shorts and longs, than to make some sort of bounce positioning trades. In that sense, I would say that the break of this trend line here would initiate a strong sell. Why? Because this is a triple confluence: lower Bollinger Band, ATR pivot point, and this trend line that has been in place especially yesterday when Brexit news kick in. So below this level, that is exactly 30.46, let's call it 30.45, is the breakout point for bears. Below 30.45, we should definitely see 13, 10, 29, 90, and on a strong momentum downwards 29, 12. On the contrary, breakout above this trend line and a close above this trend line here should initiate bullish breakout. Have in mind that you cannot trade while the candle is still active. So we need to have a clear close. This is not a clear close. This next 1 hour candle might be a clear close, but in 25 minutes, approximately 10:30, we will have the news. Annual budget release, if I'm correct, on the GBP dollar. So it's better to wait for the news spike to sell up, and then if the price closes above this level here, 31.60, this is a confluence with this, so this level here, we might see an upward breakout. So I would say above 31.63 we have bullish breakout towards 32.25, potentially 32.80. And below this 30.45, 44, as I already said, this is the final target here. So as you can see, also we have a constricting form of a triangle that marks actually this small whipsaw and also a potential breakout. But do not be fooled, guys. This is important. You see the break of this trend line and break of this daily H3. We also need to have the break of this 31.62, because H4 in Camarilla trading is the breakout point. So only about 31.63 we should see an upward movement. And also I advise you to protect your profits if you trade by scaling out. And scaling out is, let's say, closing the half of your profitable position and putting the rest to break even +1. Okay, so this was the GBP dollar. Now let's move on to the dollar CAD. And here on the dollar CAD on a 4-hour time frame, we see a retracement that might lead actually to a test of this POC zone. So this is the POC zone here. So all the way up from, all the way down from this spot, okay, towards, well, let's say this spot. So this is the first POC zone. If the price gets here, we might see a bounce, okay? It is between 33.11, 32.23. So for in this zone, we should see a bounce towards 33.63 and potentially ATR high 34. But also, if this level is broken, 33.11, let's say 33.10, we might see a deep retracement towards 32.80. So you need to pay attention, okay, for some reversal patterns and signals to that the price might potentially bounce from this zone. I usually use reversal candles. For example, I like pin bars or engulfing patterns or piercing lines if this is in line with bullish scenario. So this could be a nice bounce from this spot and also from this spot if the price continues to go down. So dollar CAD on 1 hour is bearish, but this is just retracement. So 4 hour is still bullish. You can see some nice spike here, and also have in mind that this is the order block 33.38. So I would say that you also need to pay attention to 33.38. So this is the zone, primary zone for potential spikes to the upside. And if the price goes up, I think 34.2 could be the highest, only if let's say we have some oil data or something with the dollar or the CAD. Price could actually break this and go towards monthly H5. But I would concentrate and focus on potential rejection with this zone and for potential bullish continuation. I hope that you enjoyed this coverage today. I wish you a great trading week. As always, cheers and trade safe.